beautiful morning out here in California. So just waking up, had an idea. We're gonna go check out some sick waterfalls, but we're gonna have to drive a ton. But last night I was looking up what are the coolest waterfalls here in California. They're like 3-4 hours away, but we're just gonna go pack our bags and we're gonna go check them out. Okay, I actually need to pack a couple of things. I need my GoPro stuff, that I know. My GoPro cover. The OG hat. Tin lid, baby. Drone. Gonna need him. And I got slides, shorts, shirt. That's probably all I need. Alright, I'm gonna hand this over to the driver to go over where we're going today.
Alright, just a disclaimer, I got coerced into doing this. We are going up to Burney Falls. On Google, it says that Teddy Roosevelt compared this to being the 8th wonder of the world. So we're gonna check it out ourselves. How far do you have to drive, Logan? We gotta go 3.5 hours one way, then 3.5 hours back down on the day off. But it's gonna be a fun time. We'll see.
These men I respect right here. Always down for a random adventure. Logan's even willing to drive. Last notice. Bryce dog, we've already talked about it before, so you think he's been. Look how this thing jiggles.
Wealth's not money, wealth is experiences. You gotta have the experiences. That's what you're gonna remember. Nobody cares about the money.
Woo! Let's go! Idiot. Someone push him in. 8th wonder of the world, baby. Adventure 1 completed. Success? Success. Now on to adventure 2, which is some food. And then adventure 3, they're sick waterfalls. So, here we go. We were playing Smash the Burgers. Logan's burger got smashed.
It was upside down. You broke the
Apparently that's against the rules. How was I supposed to know that?
Because I explained them 10 minutes ago.
100% recommend Chatty Cathy's. Freaking amazing. So here's what we know about our new adventure. Adventure 3. It is private properties. It is technically not perfectly legal to do. We also have to cross a railroad track, and some lady got hit by the train last year. Our plan is to find the trail, not get caught and fined, not get hit by the train, and find the waterfall. Sounds pretty easy. Okay, here's what it says. So, the most difficult part of visiting Mossbrae Falls seems to be a dearth of clear, concise directions to get there. Yes. So I think we're heading in the right direction. Yeah. Bryce dog, Logan dog. So some guy actually helped us out with the directions. What did he tell us, Bryson? Come down here.
Down that sign where we started driving down. Said you're first left, I think, and then you're gonna see the railroad tracks.
They said they're abandoned, but I mean the internet says that someone just got hit by a train, so I don't think so. But
the internet also says it's illegal, but we also just passed 15 people coming away.
Yeah, and there's a bunch of people coming out of it. They're like, you're gonna get fined $300. I call cap.
Hop over.
Oh yeah. Another lick. Although now it is Logan's turn. Oh! Distance, 10 out of 10. Okay, before heading to the waterfall, we had to check this place out first. See if we can get this super view. Logan taking a picture, make it a double. And we're up pretty high right now on this bridge. Pretty sick. My boy Bryce dog. You got Log dog still here going strong. We got the falls in the distance. All right, let's go check these falls out. Is it cool? And we out. Man. Okay, GoPro, turn off.